Hello and welcome to our first episode of AWSP News for 2020. We hope you had a great and well-deserved winter break. AWSP wishes you a happy and safe new year. Speaking of safety in the new year, check out our blog for another great monthly school safety newsletter courtesy of Mike Donlan for OSPI's School Safety Center. As principals, and FYI, when we say principals, we mean you too, APs. You create a culture of learning, caring, inclusion, and safety. Thinking about safety means doing everything you can to prevent, plan, and be prepared for the seen and unseen. OSPI's resources are a great place to assess your own system readiness. Check them out. Mark your calendars for AWSP's third annual Future School Leaders Day on February 26th in SeaTac. This is a fantastic event for you to encourage and send your teacher leaders and student leaders to come learn about the world of school leadership. Tap someone on the shoulder and say, "You'd make a great principal." Or even better, tap a student on the shoulder and say, "You'd make a great teacher," and send them to Future School Leaders Day. You know what else you could do? How about encouraging them to apply for the intern grant, which is now open? Learn about both programs in Principal Matters. Ever attended a Capturing Kids' Hearts workshop? Looking for ways to boost both student engagement and teacher morale? Well, your next chance will be February 24th and 25th in the Seattle area. See Principal Matters for more information. Did you know that principals like you serve on AWSP Advocacy Advisory Council? This group of rockstar K-12 principals and assistant principals from around the state helped us develop our 2020 legislative platform. Our big three areas of focus are student support, quality workforce, ample and equitable funding. For more information about the upcoming 2020 legislative session, here's Roz.
Hey everybody, Roz Thompson from AWSP reporting live from the Capitol the week before session starts. Here are 5 things you can do to get involved with advocacy this year. Number 1, check out our legislative platform. We have lots of important issues we'll be talking about, and if you read it, you'll get informed and know exactly what you want to say to your legislators. Number 2, join our PAC. It's really important that we can contribute to important elections that will help influence decisions that are made in Olympia. Go to our website for more information on how to join our PAC. Number 3, check out our Advocacy and Action Center on our website. There's important action alerts that you can take that will help instantly email or Facebook or tweet our legislators with important information that you generate from stories that you experience in your schools. Number 4, check out our Hourglass or Power the Principal videos and have those sent to your legislators as well. Those are really important ways to help educate people who aren't in buildings every day about what it's like to be a principal today. Number 5, contact me for ways you can get involved. We'd love for lots of people to be able to come testify or email or contact their legislators so that decisions are made really actually reflect what you need to have in your buildings. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.
Thank you, Roz, for advocating for the needs of principals and assistant principals in our state. Are you putting equity-focused leadership into action? How about considering presenting at this May's annual Equity Conference? The call for presenters is out, and we're looking for great examples to highlight at this massive professional learning event. Check out our website for presenter details. We have many lofty goals to support you this year. One of them is to provide timely, relevant, and impactful information that helps you be a more effective leader. Whether you want one-on-one consultation, dynamic professional learning, or digital resources in the palm of your hand, we hope to meet your needs. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch our latest AWSP TV episodes about discipline, MTSS, and school culture. We've even got some new fact or fiction videos for you about the new graduation pathways brought on by House Bill 1599. Our own Scott Friedman has been doing regional workshops about the pathways, and he's got a few areas left to hit. Head to awsp.org/1599 to find those workshop dates, videos, and resources for all you high school principals out there to help make sense of the new pathways. Passed last session, Senate Bill 5023 requires OSPI to identify and make ethnic studies materials and resources available for grades 7 through 12. Join educators from around the Northwest to learn from ethnic studies experts from the Xicanx Institute for Teaching and Organizing at the Cispus Learning Center on February 21st through the 23rd. Guess where you can find that link? The Association of Washington Student Leaders is seeking a current high school student sophomore from Eastern Washington to serve a 2-year term on the AWSL Student Voice and Advocacy Board. They will also serve as one of 2 student representatives on the State Board of Education. This is a fantastic opportunity for one of your students. If you have questions regarding this position, please contact Greg Barker here at AWSP. I'd like to close out this episode with a reminder about the powerful and impactful role you have as a school leader. Your influence on kids is immeasurable and forever. Principal Matt Grant of Olympia High School was recently cited by one of his students who finished 4th in a worldwide science and engineering competition. That student said, "Mr. Grant would often be one of the first people I would pitch ideas to. Even if he knows a project is not possible, he always gives me an alternate route. He doesn't lack in resources and is always wanting you to push forward." Way to go, Mr. Grant. Well, that's it from all of us here at AWSP. Keep up the great work for kids, and we'll see you next time. Give me one take, people. Take one. Lost my pedal. Stop, collaborate, and listen. Yep, we're gonna rock this like a hurricane. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. The Association of Washington Student Leaders is seeking a current high school student sophomore. You gave me that look like you screwed it up. I did. I ran it all together and it sounded like a really bad sneeze. Ready to go, take 2 or 3. Thank you, Roz, for adding.
Because you forced it, but it wasn't
Mama! Are we good?
Hope you're ready for the next episode.